Hirevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. Guys, don't forget you can get $25 off of ceramic coating, the Armor Shield 9 from Avalon King, by putting Hirevz 25 in at checkout at avalonking.com. Alright guys, I'm back in the Mustang, and these little speakers up here, they're 3.5 inch. This one sounds fine, the other one sounds pretty rattly. It's starting to buzz and stuff. There may be speakers in the doors, and if it does have the 6 speakers and the 2 in the back, it's got like the Ford premium sound or whatever, which these are not the greatest sounding speakers by any means. But I've got some new speakers to go in here. The Boss ones here, which are not super expensive. These are pretty cheap on Amazon, but I think it's gonna be perfect for the amount of power coming out of this radio, which is fine, which is a JVC head unit. It works pretty good. But the rattly speaker, it's gonna be better than that for sure. All right, so you have a screw right here. Mine was a Phillips head, but I believe these are supposed to be Torx. But so this pops up, kind of snaps in up here, and that's actually the defrost for the window right there built into the speaker. It's kind of cool. On the other side, I had another Phillips head here. This will pop up, and a little bit easier to get off the other one. That's probably a good reason why this one's buzzing. The voice coil is completely blown. But these are Infinity speakers, which I just noticed on the other side, and Infinity makes pretty good speakers, but there's no telling how long these have been in there. I mean, look how all this junk and everything, so get all that cleaned up. Well, these definitely look a lot better, so hopefully they sound a lot better. They should. Sticking together. Anyways, so plug in the 2 connections in the back, drop it back in place, and it should look something like this. All right guys, so I got everything back together, and it sounds pretty dang good. It's not cracking or nothing. So I think that's gonna work. Sounds pretty good.
Time to get out and play. AMSOIL delivers the ultimate protection for your vehicles and equipment. Fast, free shipping right to your door. Spend $100 and shipping is on us. Order now at AMSOIL.com.